Hi guys! So I'm going to answer this question again. How to start? So I understand na it's really overwhelming sa simula. But if you have a good foundation, the process will go smoothly. So first, determine your strengths and weaknesses. So alamin nyo muna kung saan kayong path magli-lead kasi sa freelancing world, pwede ka maging virtual assistant. And under virtual assistant, may mga specific paths pa kayong pwedeng i-take like copywriter kung magaling kayong magsulat, graphic designing kapag into arts kayo, ganon. And if you like communicating with customers and helping them answering their inquiries, you can go to the path of customer service representative. Or for example, meron ka ng business and you already have an idea on how to handle your social media accounts. Then you can go to the path of social media managing. So if you have a clear starting point, the next step is to create online profiles. There are so many online profiles out there like onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and there's so many more. So the important thing of having online profiles is you have to build trust to your clients. And it's important to provide enough details about yourself and what services can you offer. And kapag may online profiles ka na and verified na siya, then the next step is prepare your resume, your cover letter, your portfolios. So if you have no ideas about portfolios, resume, and yung sinabi ko kanina, check out my other videos, mayroon akong explanation about doon. And kapag everything is settled, mag-apply ka na sis. So dito sa freelancing world, hindi required na may experience ka na dapat. Kasi every good freelancers, nag-start din lang sila as a beginner. So always remember na a good freelancers are not born, it is made. Kasi may mga companies din naman na nag-hire kahit wala kayong experience and provided nila ang training. So for example, sa onlinejobs.ph, you can apply 10 times per day. And then, habang nag-a-apply ka at nag-iintay ka ng client, pwede kang mag-take ng paid and free courses. Ang dami sa YouTube and sa internet, ang dami. And mapapansin mo, in no time, ma-hire ka din at makakuha ka ng client. So, good luck to everyone! So, kung may question pa kayo, comment lang kayo and then follow for more.